Hi guys! It's me again, Nesha, ang batang vlogger ng Tampalan. So for today's video ay sasayawin natin ang tumitrending na dance move na ito. Tara, samahan niyo ako. That's it! Uploaded! Hi, for sure marami na namang views to. Nakaka-excite!
Galing mo naman sumayaw, idol! Sana ganon din ako kagaling sumayaw. Wow! Kaloka ka, idol!
Perfect na sana, kaya lang very dirty ang hands. Ew, kadiri ka, girl.
Ay, sobra naman to si ate girl. Napaka-judgmental naman. Hay, wala akong time para dyan. Dirty na akong dirty, importante viral. Hi guys! It's me again, Nesha, ang batang vlogger ng Tampalan. So for today's video, ay magre-rate tayo ng sikat na street foods dito sa Tampalan. So ang first na i-rate natin ay ang sikat na fishball ni Aling Eva. Amoy pa lang guys, nakakatakam na. Masarap talaga guys. Okay, next up, itatry natin ang sikat na cheese stick ni Mang Goryo. Guys, isang kagat pa lang, crispy na. Basta try talaga to, oh.
1 week later.
Hi guys! It's me again, Nesha, ang batang vlogger ng Tampalan. Guys, sorry, hindi ako nakapag-upload. Sobrang sakit din kasi ng tiyan ko nung last vlog ko. And for today's video, I'm gonna share with you what I've learned from my bad experience. Sabi ng schoolers namin, kaya daw sumakit yung tiyan ko dahil kumakain daw ako ng hindi naghuhugas ng kamay. At alam niyo ba guys, na madaming benefits ang makukuha sa bastong paghuhugas ng kamay? 1. It prevents the spread of skin infection. 2. It reduces the risk of various diseases including pneumonia and diarrhea. Ito yung nangyari sa akin. 3. It also prevents eye infection. At marami pang iba. At ngayon, i-demo ko sa inyo ang wastong paghuhugas ng kamay. Pwede na din itong sabayan ng pagkanta ng happy birthday. Basta 2 beses ha. Do it every day, let diseases go away. Because hand washing is a perfect example of TDH. Total check, disinfection, check na check, of hands. Super check! Yun lang mga beshes. Bye-bye!
Now watch me whip, hey. Now watch me nay-nay. Okay. Now watch me whip, whip. Watch me nay-nay.
Hi.
Now watch me whip, kill it. Watch me.